Mr. Johnson?
He was supposed to return our child to Dallas, Lancaster, Texas. He refused. I had to go up there and he hit my mother.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
Please unmute and turn on your cameras. Do you both swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. So this is just a confirmation of arrears. Do we have
Yes,
any
Your Honor.
Mr. Williams?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Do we have any agreements?
No, Your Honor, it's fully contested, but I feel like it'll be a brief one. I think I can wrap this up pretty quickly.
Okay.
At this time, Your Honor, I'd like to call the mother. Ma'am, can I get you to state your full name for the record?
Marissa Pinkert.
Thank you so much, Miss Pinkert. Now hold on, give me 1 second. I want to confirm some information with you, Miss Pinkert. Wait, okay, yes, ma'am. Now, previously, well, who is the father of your children in today's case?
James Johnson.
And what are the names and ages of the children in today's case?
It's just one. She's 9.
Now, previously, Mr. Johnson was ordered to pay you support. Is that correct?
Correct.
And there are arrears left over from that support. Is that correct?
Correct.
Your Honor, at this time, may I share my screen?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. All right. Can you see my screen, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna go to the top really quickly. Is this your name, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Is this the father's name?
Yes.
And this report is from August 31st, 1997 to July 3rd, 2025. Is that what that says, ma'am?
You said 97?
97.
I know the child is probably not born in 97, but our records go back to 97. Would you agree that these records are accurate between the dates listed here?
I didn't even know James Johnson 97.
Mr. Williams, can you please slow down?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Thank you.
No problem. Are you this not the, give me 1 second, Your Honor. May I stop sharing my screen briefly, Your Honor?
I think you're confusing people with the 1997 thing, so.
Oh, I think going forward I won't say that, Your Honor. I'm just gonna confirm that. Ma'am, is this your name across the top?
Yes.
Is this the father's name?
Yes.
Okay, now I want to go to the arrears as of June 30th, 2025. So bear with me while I scroll down a little bit to that date. Here we are, June 30th, 2025. Now, these are the child support arrears as of June 30th, 2025. What is the amount of child support arrears as of that date, ma'am, listed on this document?
$2,768.29.
Thank you so much, ma'am. As far as the medical support arrears listed on that same line, but a little bit further to the right, how much is listed as far as the medical support arrears owed since as of June 30th, 2025?
$2,267.09.
Thank you so much. And as far as the dental support amount listed here, how much is owed as of June 30th, 2025?
$603.56.
Now, ma'am, do you have any reason to doubt that these are the amounts that have accrued on your case since your case has been going on?
No.
Your Honor, at this time, I'd like to admit this as State's Exhibit A.
You can just zoom in one more time there for me, please. I can barely see.
Not a problem, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. State Exhibit A is submitted.
Your Honor, may I stop sharing my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. That's it, ma'am. Thank you, sir. So, ma'am, those are, but before we continue, has there been any family violence between yourself and the father in the past 2 years?
It's been past 2 years.
There has been family violence between the two of you in the past 2 years, or there hasn't?
Yes. In Marion County, I believe it was in 2023.
Okay. Could you share with me the details of what happened on that in 2023 between yourself and Mr. Johnson?
He was supposed to return our child to Dallas, Lancaster, Texas. He refused. I had to go up there and he hit my mother. I had to file. She filed something in Marion County in 2023.
So you're saying that Mr. Johnson hit your mother when you went to go pick up the child? That's your testimony today?
Yes.
Okay. Now, as far as the family violence, has there been any family violence specifically between yourself and Mr. Johnson?
No, and he hit her because she was trying for him not to hit me.
I understand, but
Okay.
Specifically between yourself and Mr. Johnson in the past 2 years, not anybody else. Has there been any family violence between the two of you?
No, that's it.
Now, has there been any family violence between Mr. Johnson and the child?
And no, and they haven't seen each other since that time in 2 years.
Okay, so based on that information, do you have any fear or safety concerns with having your address or phone number listed in today's court order?
No.
Okay, not a problem. So I'd like to move on. As before, you confirm the amounts that were listed based on the amount, the child support amount, where the child support judgment that the state is going to request today, and that is as of the last day of last month, is going to be child support is going to be $2,768.29, and we're asking the father pay that back at $64 per month beginning August 1st, 2025. Would you be in agreement or disagreement with that?
You said I only receive $64 a month until the $2,768.29 is paid.
That is the arrears as of June 30th are $2,768.29. The state is requesting that the father pay you those arrears back. Now, this is one of several numbers, but this is the first number. The state is requesting that he pay you back that amount at $64 per month. Would you be in agreement or disagreement with that?
I agree.
And as far as the medical,
hold on. Mr. Johnson, I'm sorry that we're so boring for you that you have to look at your phone. But we're in the middle of your hearing. I don't know why you're looking at a phone while you're in court on your case. You're
I'm
supposed to
looking
be
up.
persuading me. You're not in agreement with what's been proposed. You're supposed to be persuading me. If you think looking at a phone while you're in court is gonna help persuade me some way, that's probably gonna be wrong.
I got the
Do not
letter. I'm
do
sorry,
not
Your Honor.
look
I
at your
have the letter.
phone. Do not look
I
at
have
your
the
phone
child support
again.
letter on there.
I don't
I
care
have.
what's on your phone. You're supposed to be
Oh,
paying
okay.
attention. You're not being called as a witness right now. You should be paying attention. You shouldn't be looking at a phone. All right, Mr. Williams, go ahead.
yes, Your Honor. And as you previously confirmed, ma'am, the medical support arrears are $2,267.09. The state is requesting that those medical support arrears be paid back to you at $61 per month beginning August 1st, 2025, until those amounts are paid in full. Would you be in agreement or disagreement with that amount, ma'am?
I agree.
And as you mentioned previously, the dental support arrears as of the last day of last month are $603.56. The state is requesting that those arrears be paid back to you at $53 per month beginning August 1st, 2025 until paid in full. Would you be in agreement or disagreement with that?
I agree.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I believe that is the extent of the questions that I have for you currently. Is there anything else you would like to tell the court regarding your case, ma'am?
So that I just want to confirm. So that's $188 a month until the 2000 is paid, correct?
On which amount?
What you just broke down for me, the 64, the 61, the 53.
Right.
And start
Each one goes to a different arrears. One is for child support, one is for medical support, and one is for dental support. And I did them in the order. So the first one, the 64, goes towards the child support arrears. The 61 goes towards the medical support arrears, and the 53 goes towards the dental support arrears.
and that's supposed to start on August 1st.
August 1st, 2025. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, if there was nothing else you would like to say at this time, Your Honor, I'd like to pass this witness and call the father. Mr. Johnson, can I get you to state your full name for the record?
James Edward Johnson Jr.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. You were previously ordered to pay support. Is that correct?
10-4. Yes, sir.
And you did have arrears
Correct.
based on that previous order of support. Is that correct, Mr. Johnson?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now, previously, I shared my screen and showed some amounts on the screen. Did you have any reason to doubt that those numbers were incorrect as what they are to your arrears as of the last day of the last month? You have any reason to doubt the state's numbers?
No, sir. Not at all.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now I want to move on to what the state is requesting you pay out on those arrears. Now, these arrears are good as of June 30th, 2025. I want to make sure I stress that. Your child support arrears as of that date are $2,768.29, and the state is requesting that you pay that back at $64 per month beginning August 1st, 2025. Are you in agreement with that, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And as far as your medical support arrears right now, as of June 30th, 2025, they're $2,267.09. And the state is requesting that you pay those medical support arrears back at $61 per month beginning August 1st, 2025, until those arrears are paid in full. Would you be in agreement with that as well, sir?
Yes, sir. I have an issue.
Before we get to your issue, we'll get to that. But are you
okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay. It's okay. And then I want to confirm one more thing. The dental support amount, the arrears as of the last day of the last month are $603.56. And the state is asking that you pay that back at $53 per month. Are you in agreement with that as well? Again, this is starting August 1st, 2025.
Yes, sir.
Now, those are the extent of my questions. It feels like we have a full agreement here, but is there anything else you would like to tell the court regarding your case, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, sir. The reason I filed a modification about 6 months. Whenever I was released from my job, so and I filed a modification so I wouldn't be in arrears. But something happened on the court date. I got on the Zoom call. Something happened. I didn't be able to again. Didn't wasn't able to talk to anyone. And so it's just been going up. And so whenever they sent me this paper, I thought it was for the modification because someone called me like 20 minutes later and told me that I wasn't able to get into the queue. No, I stayed on the phone with someone for like 30 minutes. And they told me that I wasn't able to get into the cubic, I guess, because I stayed on the phone for 30 minutes waiting on somebody to come back. But I know you guys not doing anything about it, but I'm just stating that that's what happened. And like I don't mind paying child support. I don't care about paying child support, but it's just I haven't missed a payment until I lost my job, and I've been
Okay,
still
so
trying to make my payments. But
briefly,
I'm
Mr.
trying to get a modification to get it
Hold
lower
on, Mr.
because
Johnson. Hold on,
I'm
Mr.
sorry,
Johnson. My
I'm
question
sorry.
was, do you have anything you want to add specifically about the case that we're here for today? We can't discuss a modification that you wanted to file and didn't file because it's not before the court. The only thing we're here to do is to confirm your arrears, and we have your full agreement. Do you have any specific questions about the confirmation of your arrears hearing that we just held today?
No.
Okay, Your Honor, just like at this time, I'd like to pass this witness as well.
Okay. Yeah, the only thing that's been filed today is a motion to confirm how much you owe and for you to set up the payment plan to pay that back. Not anything else. I see you for maybe somebody filed a motion to modify about a year ago, but nothing was ever done on it. And you never set it for hearing, never served anybody or something like that. It is what it looks like to me. I'm not looking too deep into it, but that's what it looks like. If you haven't done any of that, then there's nothing we can do. The numbers stay the same until you do what you're supposed to do legally,
I definitely done it.
even though you're not an attorney. So you owe these arrears. You need to pay them back. You need to make your regular payments, and that's where we need to go. All right, y'all. The Attorney General's office is going to draft an order based on all that. They will email you a copy. You're done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.